Hi, today we're going to make lava cake with my mom and my little sister and me, James. So we're going to use my mom's recipe. So what we're going to first start with is 120 grams of dark chocolate. Then what we're going to use is 120 grams of butter. Then after that, you're going to use half a cup of sugar. And then you're going to use half a cup of flour. You're going to make sure you're going to have a spare flour left for the cups. And you're going to use 4 eggs and 2 yolk eggs. You're going to have 6 eggs in total. Now, you're going to have cups. Now, today we're going to use 7 cups because it's our first time. So this is the main thing we're going to start with, and let's start making it. The second step is to mix the butter and chocolate together, and when it's cooked, let it rest. Now the other step is to get the 4 eggs and 2 egg yolks and mix it together. And you want to mix it good. Now, after it's mixed, put half a cup of sugar. So let's do that right now. Now with the half a cup of sugar, you're going to mix it again. I'm going to mix it again. And after that, once it's nice and mixed, make sure the sugar is hard to see. Now, we're going to pour in the chocolate bowl. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. Wow. Now, you want to make sure a lot of it is in there. Try to make sure all the excess is off and try to get as much as you can. Now, since you got all of that out, you want to mix it again. Now, after that, you're going to pour in half a cup of the flour. Make sure it's the all-purpose flour. Now you're going to mix it all together. You want to do it slowly, not to get all of it out and pour it on your face. Looks like slime. Now the third step is that after you mix the chocolate, you want to put the butter and the flour with the extra flour that you use. So first, you're going to get the butter. Now the reason why we're going to use the butter is because it doesn't make it slippery and it doesn't make it sticky. Now when it's not sticky, it's easier for you to get it out of the cup and not, destroy every single thing inside it. After you mixed it good inside, you want to make sure to put the flour in. Now you want to put a little bit and not too much. Now I'm going to make sure it goes everywhere. Now after that, you want to pour the extra out and put it in the plate. We back, and my mom helped me pour the chocolate inside the cups. Now you want to set your oven to 180 to 200 degrees. Now my big brother's gonna help me put the chocolate cups into the oven. Now you have to wait 10 minutes, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. Now the fifth and final step is to take the chocolate cups out of the oven, and it's gonna look like this. Now my mom helped me taking one of these and put it like this. Now it looks like this. Now what we're gonna first do is we're gonna take the icing sugar and we're gonna sprinkle them on here. You wanna make sure you get it everywhere. It's like snow. Like snow. Then you're gonna put one of your strawberries and you're gonna put it wherever you want, but I'm gonna put it here. Now, you can get a few berries as you want, as many as you want. I'm gonna pick 4. And you can get some blackberries. I'm gonna pick 3. And you can get as much blueberries as you want. So I'm gonna take 5. Now for the final top, if you have, you get your minty leaf and put it on top. And then you get your ice cream. And you're gonna get that ice cream and put it on the slide right there. Now that looks gorgeous. Now, the final step is to get your Hershey, if you have one, and then spread it around. And voila! Your lava cake is finished. And then the ice cream, top it all up.
Let me help?
Yes, please. Something's wrong with it. And then it'll look like this. It's gonna look magnificently beautiful. Bye, and enjoy your lava cake.